Hi there guys and girls, come over here in Rizal Park, at Rizal Park, Legazpi City. We're having a ice cream session, coffee crumble, compress. Sige, speak up. Go ahead, sige na. Louder your voice. Oh, and then?
Hindi masyadong malamig kasi kami lang anim na noon.
Hindi, actually sirado yung aircon. That's another thing that I don't like the movie.
Teka, hindi pa yata Netflix yung para sa amin lang. Kaya nainita kami, kaya paglabas namin, kumain kami ng ice cream. Okay.
How about you?
Kanina, nandun ako. Nung nanood ako ng pelikula ng nagulat ako, nawala yung antok ko. Tapos nung maglabas namin dito, kumain kami ng ice cream.
Ellen!
Lalong nawala yun.
Ano na?
Lalong nawala yung antok ko.
And then?
Nakalasang chocolate.
How about you?
Ayun,
Compress.
Coffee pala.
Oh, tapos? Go!
Oh yeah, coffee crumble, ice cream. Yes, delicious. We're having fun.
Very good. Oh, how about you? How about you? Louder your voice.
So yummy.
Anong you're so yummy?
You're so yummy. You're so yummy.
Ano, dali na!
Tastes yummy with coffee crumble ice. You know.
How about you, Tita Lot? Ano masabi mo dyan sa ice cream?
Sarap. Si Marlon Bating.
Okay, sige.
Ang tagal na natin. Hindi nagpunto ulit. Nakakita alot, lakas ng boses. Aman ka dyan. Tapos ko ba? Tapos ang pagkasunod niya noon. Pagkala tayo nagpunta. Sana naman sabi ko. Para magkurbada mo tayo.
Okay. Oh, ba ano, sabay-sabay na kayo.
Sarap. It's cold. Yummy. It's cold. Eh, ang ngipin ko ningilo na ako. Bakit ang ipin niya ako?
Bye for now.
Alis ang ipin ko.
Bye na kayo.
Bye.